get us inside. The first rain shower. They kinda like it. Not really. What's up, girl? You ready to go inside, huh? Me too. Those guys are ready. They're already running inside. I said, fuck this. They gone. Shit, they're all going down the stairs at the same time. Or no, they're all boxing it out. It's box time. Oh shit, oh shit, oh no, it got serious. One's gonna get die. Oh, two in the back. Oh shit. They're fighting over a piece of ball that their parents left. This is how the night's gonna end tonight. Well, outside, at least. There we go. Snap. So I gotta get it. All of you guys at the same time, huh? Yep. Hey. Oh, relax. This blanket is big enough for all three of y'all. Relax, relax. Eddie, he lazy, bro. Luna, where you at? Where you at, for real? Oh. You tired, huh, girl? Alright, get your sleep on. You two are you ain't tired at all, are you? Eddie, get in this, hurry up.